Okay,
Hi, Joe.
folks, welcome to our banana grove here on the north end of Salt Spring Island. And today I'm going to show you how to winter protect your Musabaju bananas, Japanese fiber bananas. So it's way too early to actually do it here for us. It's only October, what is it, the 10th or 11th of October. I'm just going to do this to show you how it is done, okay? I might not even protect them this year. So what you want to do first of all is get some bubble plastic. I've been doing it this way for over 25 years. I've been growing bananas in the ground since 1989. So coming up 30 years of growing bananas. So bubble plastic is an amazing, you just broke that. I was trying to avoid that. I know.
Oops, sorry.
That's all right.
Popped the leaf.
Anyway, so you want to get some bubble plastic. And I usually like to put the bubbles inward. And all you need is some black electrician's tape too. It's really easy. Start at the bottom of the trunk. And you just start wrapping it around like this. Wrap her around. I mean,
so Joe, is each one individual? Like if there's some that are really close, you could just wrap them together, right?
You could if you want.
Yeah.
It's really easy to do.
You didn't wrap them.
You don't have to be really too fussy over it. Just like one wrap here is good enough. In our climate, if you're in a lot colder climate, well, then you're going to have to wrap them a lot more.
Okay.
Last year, I wrapped them. The 2 years before that, in a row, I didn't wrap them, and the cane still didn't freeze down here all the way. So, like that. Okay. And you only go up to where the leaves start, and you take your electrician's tape. Right. You don't have to cut any of the leaves off. No. Everybody's got this idea that, you have to cut all the leaves off and cut the trunks back, which is absolute nonsense. Yeah. Let the first frost knock the leaves off. There. Yeah. That's all we do. You don't need to cover the top. Right. There it is. That's bubble wrap for winter. That trunk right there, you see? So enjoy the leaves right till the last minute until Mother Nature knocks them off from the frost. So why cut them off and just have these ugly looking trunks left? So like I say, the first killing frost is going to knock these leaves off.
And then
so
you got them for your mulch.
That's how to do it right there. That's how to protect a banana trunk in the northern...
Thanks, Banana Joe.
Under our banana tree. These are big. They're about beautiful. 17 feet tall.
Oh, they're getting
16,
massive.
16,
and then we have like about, what, 3 little clumps of
there's more in the upper garden as well, too. It is like a jungle in here. Yeah. So, a lot of them. So,
thanks,
anyway,
Joe.
remember, folks, bananas are giant rhizotomous herbs. They're not trees. They are herbs. All right.
And subscribe
to Gulf Island Rock.
Island
Wendy's
Rock.
got a great channel. She's always uploading pretty cool, funky, random stuff
thanks.
on there. All right, folks.
Aloha.
Thanks for watching. Cheers.